Okay, Dr. Sauce, what towel should I use for which products?
Okay, that's an easy one. Typically, you're cleaning windows, cleaning wheels, cleaning interiors stuff, or even a quick wipe down of the car, you're going to want to use either the cinnamon spice or the apple spice microfibers. Um, if you're doing like a quick detail, I would recommend you do the blueberry microfiber. And if you're doing waxing the car, I would recommend the blue basil for the wax removal or buffing it out, just because it's the softest and it's not going to scratch the surface. The garlic gray dry towel is pretty self-explanatory. It's for gray. It's for drying the car off, and our lime slice wash mitt is for washing. So that should cover all the bases that you need.